friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the 12 Days of Christmas. Our host is Rustic and Lace DIY and Crafting with Mimi's World. Please check out their channels and the amazing creators in the playlist. Today I will be making an ice cream bar, and watch how many times in this video I forget what I'm making and can't think of the words. It was hilarious. First of all, we've cut this shape, which is like a ice cream bar out of a cardboard, out of a cereal box. Now we're gonna take, and we also took, which this doesn't even fit on my table, so here we go. I also took a piece of fabric, or you could even use felt, cut the same shape out of fabric. Now I'm going to take this and trace this on to our foam board, and we will cut that out, and I'll be back. I'll just take some scissors or something to cut it out. Like I said, this won't even fit on my table because the sheet's so big. So this is what we're gonna do. Okay, we have it all cut out, and I'm gonna start with some school glue. You could either use fabric, or you could use felt and do a fun, maybe you could even probably do 2 different colors of felt. I found this fun fabric, so I'm doing fabric because it's fun. Make sure your corners are down. Don't forget to take your sticker out. Okay, now let's take our glue gun and add let's fold up straight the edges. And we'll do that all the way around. This project here could easily be two-sided. We could do this one for Christmas. As you know, I do some Candyland gingerbread stuff in my decorating. But on the other side, I could easily flip it over and do a 4th of July project, and do red and white and blue felt. Or even if you did Halloween, you could do Halloween on the other side. It's whatever you decorated and you would want a ice cream for the holiday. Make sure to leave the words on the inside. And there, this is our ice cream. I think I need to trim a little bit down here at the bottom. Okay, here is our big ice cream I can't think of it. Anyway, this is our big ice cream treat, and if you wanted to, you could add some rickrack to make it look more decorative, or you could do it in felt.